This video provides an overview of the main concepts presented in the cataloging course so that you can become familiar with the main terminology before you begin the lessons. In some ILS systems, cataloging and serials functions are not separate from the bibliographic and item records used for monographic cataloging. However, in Polaris, there are separate cataloging and serials modules. These separate functions can be accessed via separate drop-down menus in the client's toolbar. If you previously had an ILS system with bibliographic records, holdings records, and item records, the client is a bit different. The cataloging module only has bibliographic and item records. Separate holdings records are only included in the serials module. The serials module has serial holdings records, issue records, and a screen to check in new issues. All serials records are linked to their respective bibliographic and item records in the cataloging module. More information on the serials module will be provided in the course on serials. Some ILS systems only allow the cataloging module to access only the information that you need for cataloging. However, the client provides you with a way to access additional information because of how well the records are linked together. The bibliographic and item record work forms are well organized to provide you with quick access to additional views and statistics. These include an ability to see how the bibliographic record looks in the pack and circulation statistics. The item record provides access to circulation statistics as well, but also includes settings related to holds, notices, and renewal limits. The manner in which the data is linked together allows it to easily be queried using SQL queries or the Simply Reports web app. Training in Simply Reports will be provided in a future course. Before you begin to catalog, there are several tasks that need to be accomplished. First, set up the client to print the spine labels. The spine label settings can be configured for standard or customized labels. Next, you may want to create bibliographic record templates. However, creating item record templates for every material type and collection combination is required. This is covered in both the cataloging and acquisitions courses. Last but not least, you will need to create multiple import profiles to import records. Records can be imported into the client in two ways. The most efficient way is to set up the import profiles in the Import Manager. Import profiles can be customized to streamline the cataloging and acquisitions process. Import profiles can be configured to check for duplicates and merge records, validate Mark 21, validate the authority headings, create item records, update item records created by enriched EDI, and create record sets. Records can also be imported from OCLC using the Z3950 connection that allows you to search in OCLC with the Find tool. However, this will require more manual work. A very important feature of the client is its ability to create record sets. Record sets provide you with an ability to quickly find the records that were just imported. However, a record set can be used for processing bulk changes to bibliographic, item, and patron records. Additionally, record sets are frequently used to create lists of books for promotions in the pack, or pick lists for staff to use for weeding or the creations of displays. Each of these topics will be covered in more detail in the subsequent lessons. If you have any questions, contact help@ccslib.org.